Your biggest weapon is your voice. So when you do the kick, I want you to yell. Yeah!
High-performing teams and individuals have formulas, they have recipes, they have a process behind what they do. It is much easier to achieve a goal if you've got a reason for doing it. So what everyone tends to think of in business and sport is I'm looking for that golden ticket or that golden solution. That one big deal that's going to save us, or the one lucky moment or the one lucky meeting. It doesn't often work that way. So the aggregation of marginal gains says that if I do lots of things right for a long period of time, I will see dramatic improvements.
Louder. If Chris comes and taps me on the toes, I'm not going to let him. And vice versa, he's not going to let me. So just be relaxed, bounce, try, and see if you get tapped. You bend your knee, tuck it in tight.
So every player knows that they have to marginally improve in these 6 or 7 areas, and it makes a dramatic difference to the team.
Visualize. Picture yourself breaking the board. Visualize how you would do it and what it would feel like if you could do it. Breathe and breathe out when you throw your kick. And what are we going to do when we throw that kick? Yeah, we call that a kia. Be mindful, maybe not everyone's going to break it, but would love everyone to have a go.
What I say to people, success most often comes down to the process behind that success. And the focus should really be on the sum of all those 1%ers, those little things. If that's where your focus is, then often the success that you desire will come.
Come here.